Sa restaurant, ang boss talaga yan si Chef Jack. Sa bahay, siya pa rin. I think husband and wife, we're very lucky because we share the same love, which is food. As a mother and a father naman, we prioritize our kids. Even if our career demands a great deal of our time, anak pa rin ang priority namin. We spend Christmas, we eat together with our kids and family. Kailangan merong ham palagi. And syempre, ano bang kapares ng ham? Cheese, di ba? So, isa-slice na yung cheese, you eat it with the ham, made freshly baked pandesal kasi we make our own pandesal sa Bistro Filipino. So, uwi ka ng freshly baked pandesal, ham, cheese, panalo na yun, di ba? Masaya na yung mga anak ko doon, pati ako masaya na ako doon. Being a chef, syempre, I taste a lot of stuff. Ang maganda kasi sa Eden, it's very versatile. Si Chef Jack naman, mahilig yan sa maraming klaseng cheese, pastries. So, lahat ng lutuin namin, gusto na talaga may kasama ng cheese. Name it. As in, pasta, tacos, sandwich, lahat. Gusto nila may Eden. As in, addict sila sa cheese. Hindi ko lang kung bakit. But, mukha silang cheese. Ang specialty ni Jack, mga panghimaga, sa mga desserts, yung cheesecake niya, ibang klase. As in, if you eat her cheesecake, malasa mo talaga yung cheese. To my lovely wife, Chef Jack, I will never be in this position without you. And I would like to thank you, thank God na I met you because ikaw talaga yung inspirasyon ko. And if it weren't for you, I don't think I would be in this world right now. So I love you very much, Chef Jackie. Sana wag mo akong iiwanan kahit makulit ako or sakit sa ulo. I love you very much.